So today we are going to talk about kids bullying, especially the younger one. जो छोटे बच्चे होते हैं उसके मुझे बहुत सवाल आते हैं कि मेरा 5 साल का बच्चा है, मेरा 6 साल का बच्चा है, there is another kid which is bullying my kid, what should I do? पहली बात तो आप ये समझो कि जो बच्चे छोटे होते हैं उनको बुलिंग का मतलब नहीं होता है. जैसे द क्वेश्चन दैट आई गॉट ऑन माई इंस्टाग्राम वॉज, मैम प्लीज टेल मी हाउ टू मेक my kid more strong, as there is another child who tries to bully him. He acts very bossy with him, and if the kid doesn't and if the other kid doesn't accept that kid as a boss, then that kid avoids my child and other children and say, I'm not playing with you. What should I do? लेट मी टेल यू, इसको हम बोलते हैं स्कूल ग्राउंड का इश्यूज. If a child is below the age of 6, trust me, they do not know what bossing is. 1 second. They do not know what bossing is. Okay, sorry, they do not know what bullying is. So do not say कि somebody is bullying my child. Yes, somebody might be overpowering your child because वो उस बच्चे की personality, आपके बच्चे की personality नहीं है ऐसी that they want to be the leader. There are certain kids who want to be the leader. There are certain kids who are happy playing with other person. Okay, now the thing to note here is that it is irritating you because you feel your child is getting bossed around. बुलिंग इज व्हेन अ चाइल्ड डेलिबरेटली, मतलब जब दूसरा बच्चा डेलिबरेटली आपके बच्चे को नीचे दिखाता है या टॉन्ट मारता है या उसकी स्किन, उसके कलर, उसकी हाइट को लेके मजाक उड़ाता है, दैट कैन स्टिल बी taken as bullying. But if a other child is saying, I do not want to play with you, that's merely the fact that it's other child's जैसे कहते हैं ना, उसकी मर्जी है, वो ही इज़ नॉट ट्राइंग टू बुली, वो उसका नेचर है और आप दूसरे बच्चे को चेंज नहीं कर सकते हो. तो आपको अपने बच्चे के साथ काम करना है. इफ़ योर चाइल्ड डजंट हैव अ प्रॉब्लम, ओके, इफ़ योर चाइल्ड डजंट कम बैक एंड से मम्मा वो मेरे साथ खेल नहीं रहा है, या मम्मा उसने मुझे मारा, या मम्मा उसने मुझे ऐसे बोला, I don't think you should have a problem in that, very honestly. Why? Because these are few things that the children have to learn how to navigate. What your role as a parent is to listen to them clearly. Okay, suppose he comes and say, Mama, if I don't play with him, no, then he says that he's not going to play with me. If I don't take him as a leader, he says he's not going to play with me. Instead of giving a solution, I will ask my child, how does that make you feel? If he says, I'm okay with him being a leader, I have no problem, then what is your problem as a parent? Let your child figure out उसको क्या करना है. Okay. However, अगर आपका बच्चा ये बोलता है that I don't like it, he pressurizes me a lot, or he doesn't play with me and I feel bad, that is when you have to listen and acknowledge the feelings. कि I understand आपको ऐसा लगता है, so next time आप क्या कर सकते हो. ओके, आस्क योर चाइल्ड आप क्या कर सकते हो नेक्स्ट टाइम. यू कैन नॉट गो एंड मेक फ्रेंड्स एंड ब्रेक फ्रेंड्स. कब तक कर लोगे आप? आज तो वो 5-6 साल का है, 8-9 साल के होंगे, फिर 11-12 साल के होंगे. यू कैन नॉट ऑलवेज इंटरवीन इन फ्रेंडशिप्स. यू ऑलवेज हैव टू बी ऑन अ साइड लाइन एंड सी व्हाट बेस्ट कैन यू डू फॉर योर चाइल्ड. ओके, अगर आपका बच्चा किसी के साथ खेल रहा है दैट यू फील इज अ वेरी बैड इन्फ्लुएंस, अगेन योर थॉट अबाउट दैट चाइल्ड कि दैट चाइल्ड इज अ वेरी बैड इन्फ्लुएंस in whatever thing you think, okay, then maybe you can change the playground, or maybe then you can put him in some other activity that he doesn't go and play. But again, it is what you think. Why I'm saying like this is because I firmly believe there is no bad child. Okay, it's just that their circumstances are such, sometimes their personalities are such, you do not know उनके घर में क्या चल रहा है, you do not know कि उसके दिमाग में क्या चल रहा है. Okay, so no child was born in this world thinking I'm going to bully the other person. Everybody is trying to find their place. सो आपको भी यही करना है. अगर आपका बच्चा, स्पेशली मैं इसमें छोटे बच्चों की बात कर रही हूँ, आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट किड्स अबव द एज ऑफ 7, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द किड्स बिलो द एज ऑफ 7. ओके, क्योंकि उनको बुलिंग का मतलब भी नहीं पता होता है. दे से व्हाट दे फील लाइक सेइंग, दे आर वेरी ब्लंट. तो उनको नहीं खेलना तो बोलेंगे मेरे को नहीं खेलना तेरे साथ. They do not know how to navigate. We'll do another small video about kids above the age of 7 to 12 and then teens about bullying. But below the age of 6 or 7, all you have to do is listen to your child, ask your child how you feel about it, and if your child says I don't feel good about it, मेरे को नहीं करना है, then you have to empower your child by saying then don't do it, but then he will not play with me. Fine, then can we look for somebody else who is going to play with you? Okay, so things like that. Or teach your child how to stand up, that you can always say okay, one time it can be as per how you want, one time it can be as per how I want. Children needs to be given skills, उनको अपने आप नहीं आता है, ठीक है? So give them skills so that they know how to handle a situation. So this is Divya, your mom friend and your parenting coach. I come here every day taking one question from my Instagram or from my Facebook, or if you put a comment below this video, and I answer it. Any parenting question you have, let me know and I'll be happy to answer it for you. Let's parent for a better world. Let's be kind to our children and let's be kind to ourselves.